Mm. That's not funny. It's all gone now. Robert, would you like more watermelon? What do you say?
Peace.
Peas?
Peace.
Eat it. Eat it. Careful. Who's Goofy? Yeah. Would you like more watermelon? Oh. Would you like more watermelon? You silly boy. Poo-poo. Robert, would you like more watermelon? What do you say? What do you say? Do you want more watermelon? Okay. No more watermelon? Say yes, please.
Yay, please.